rainy day. It's just slacked up here enough to get out. I noticed this morning the Guinea Palace food bucket, they flipped it over. Yeah, so it needs to be filled up. They've dumped some on the ground there, but it's probably got some still in it, but they got light enough that they could dump it, you know, tip it over when they jumped on it. So I'm gonna get in here and feed them. Y'all got anything to say for yourself this morning other than it's been raining? They're out looking for something to eat now. Okay. They're taken care of for now. Scott's been to the barn, so I gotta go down there and look. I'm not making no unnecessary trips down there. Boy, man, we got plenty of wet ground. Well, as y'all know, I can't run my wiper blades and drive at the same time. And the rain kind of slacked off, so I thought I'd try to make a few pit stops. Grab a few items over at the Dollar General store. And I was going to check boxes, but it was going to rain and it was going to keep raining. Boxes are going to get all wet. Peter made an omelet this morning. It was very good. Yeah. While I'm at this red light, I will turn my wiper blades on because I can look away and not look at the windshield while I'm sitting here. Maybe y'all will be able to see a little better now. How's that? Did that help? When that light turns green, I'll hit it one more time before I pull out. Just like that. Yeah. Makes me real dizzy. Gotta see what's going on over here. To look at the wiper blades, go back and forth. So I don't do that. All right, let me go check and see. I will wait a few minutes, see if it's gonna rain anymore. Y'all keep smiling, enjoying us. 3 days of wet weather now. Well, I safely made it home after I had to wait for it to quit raining. I got up there and yeah, it started raining enough that I thought, well, I'll just wait till it slacks off. It said rain for the next hour, and it started raining again. Oh, but it's just little bitty tiny sprinkles right now, so it's good. I'm watching these birds fly around all over the place. They're like, it's rained for the past, today makes the third day. We're going to get out here while it's slacked off and see what we can find to eat. Oh, and I ain't disagreeing with them. That's what I did. I went to the Dollar General store while I was out and picked up a few little things. One little bag, $30. It's getting rough. I had to talk to y'all about something. You know, this AI stuff, and you don't know whether you're watching the real thing or not, you know. Well, I've been involved in it for the past couple of years. And all this time y'all been seeing me, it's not really me. I know that's hard to believe. Should be. But, you know, I've been using AI, I've been generating a fake me. Y'all just thought it was me. Well, here. I won't come clean with y'all what I really look like. I mean, I'm really an athlete and weightlifter and all that kind of stuff. So, I'm going to come clean with y'all. I know y'all got used to seeing me like I am now, this AI generated thing. So I'm going to keep on doing it. But just let me show you what I really look like, and at least y'all will know the truth, you know. And I won't be fooling y'all no more, and you'll know that, you know, what you're seeing right now is not real. Okay, let me go ahead and show it to you. Well, what do y'all think about the real me? Reason I done that was because I thought it was funny. Second of all, it just goes to show everything you see on the internet, newscast, people, someone talking. Hadn't had me a drink since I went live the other night, so I got me one. It's getting hard. I wish they'd do away with it because it's been abused in so many ways. It started to rain again, by the way. You don't never know if you're really watching the real person or not. I can take and change my image, start a YouTube channel, or broadcast something out there just in some other platform. It don't matter. And tell it to do all kinds of stuff. It's trippy. And the whole time, y'all think it's me. People would think it was me. You know, that's the person. That's who it is. And it looks real. Yeah. And well, I want to show you how it generated that picture. What picture I used to generate to come up with the picture I used to make what I made. It's be careful. That's what I'm trying to say. Be careful. Don't be drawn in and sucked into a bunch of, oh, he said that and all that. I mean, I'll never, you know, I play with it, but I'm not never going to use it. As far as trying to fool somebody and make them believe a fake something. I could take that photograph, that generated photograph, and make it walk, pick up stuff. I can type in and tell it what I want it to do and say, and it does it. Ain't that wild? Well, now, I'm going to end this conversation about this AI stuff by just simply saying be careful. And here's what the picture I used to generate that picture to transform myself into something that I'm not. Yeah, ain't that weird? Yeah. Okay, here it is, and then that's the end of that. We'll go on to something else. And while we've been talking, it's quit raining again. It comes and it goes. Well, it's almost dark. I couldn't help myself. I had to come to the barn. Yeah. You got food? Yeah. Yeah. You're in good shape. You two are in good shape. Yeah. Hey, happy. Yeah, you got some water and you're drinking it. You got food. Y'all got water. I can't tell if y'all got water or not. I have to literally reach in there. Oh, yeah. I can see it moving now when you wiggle it. Okay, yeah, happy. Hey, Barney. Y'all got food. Let me check your water. There they go. And them little babies up in there, still running around. The other one's cuddled up with another one back there. Yeah. See, I'm gonna cuddle up with this big fuzzy thing. Yeah. I'll get y'all some water. I ain't going in there. I got guineas on the top row and chickens on the top row, chickens on the bottom row, guineas on the bottom row. I'm not going to disturb them. Oh. Barney, you always begging. You always a begging. You're begging for attention and you're begging for food all at the same time, over and over and over. All the time. I come down here 5 times a day, you'd be wanting the same thing. I'd have some more cat food. She still got some, but not but about 2 more days worth left. Everybody's sleeping. Except for a few guineas. And The other noisy quackers. That one guinea is still up for sure. Check these hiding places for eggs up here. Yeah, there's one down there. Them boxes up there. We put some straw. Scott put some straw in them. Since they're laying in them. Two over here, one over here. Well, now everybody is in good shape for the night. Got plenty of food, plenty of water. That'll do. They won't eat anyway tonight. They'll wait till the morning. But they'll have food already. Ooh, really muddy. Really, really muddy. They've done went to bed. They're in good shape till tomorrow. And a bunch of dark clouds, like they got a bunch of water in them. There's the moon through the tree. Yeah. Yep, I think we might get a little more rain. We will see. We've had a rainy 3 days. Made it really hard to do much of anything. It quit long enough here to get that camera set up with his phone. And for me to walk to the barn. There's the moon from around the light. It's hiding up there. Standing. Oh, me. Had nothing to do today. Every time I turn around, oh, okay, it's clearing off. It's going to quit raining. Rain stopped. Then here it come again. Off and on, off and on. Oh. Scott's working on lights on the trailer that we left over at the 120. That apparently full of feed, sitting there next to the pig pen. Some mice decided to chew some wires. Peter's up here working on these bikes. Yeah. You got a problem? I ain't saying nothing. I ain't gonna say a word.
You know what my problem is?
No.
Really?
Oh, probably me.
I doubt that. You're
Yeah, I'm probably your problem. I'm telling you.
How are you my problem? First of all, what was the lefty, tighty, highty, righty, loosey, goosey? Have a good one.
I see it. Here, got some eggs that need cleaning. So I brought bringing them to you.
So,
You can clean eggs.
then I can't.
Well, we out here trying to get some lights working. Scott's got one side working. They're gonna go leave in the morning to go get hog feed for the hoggies. Well, there's nothing left to do because it's dark and it's cold and it's wet. And well, after got the lights working the best we could there, Scott had the wrong ball on the truck. Went down the driveway, hit the bump, trailer jumped off. So we had to jack it up and put the right one on there and get him on his way. He's going down to the car wash in this cold weather to wash that trailer out. And whew, I'm going in. Y'all have a blessed night. I hope you had a blessed day. Stay close to the phone in case you need some help or something else happens, and call me. And anyway, little hiccup in the night, but wasn't no big deal to fix to get it back on there. It's empty. Y'all have a blessed night, and even a more blessed tomorrow. And most importantly, remember, you can keep on smiling because Jesus loves you. And that light's following me back there. Doggone camera's turned right at me now. All right, good night. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Glad you tuned in. You know what I'm doing. Let me know what you're doing.